In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize email templates in Shopify, specifically for both marketing and transactional notifications. We'll dive into the details of how you can effectively manage your communication with customers through these emails, ensuring they're not only informative, but also on brand. Whether you're handling order confirmations or sending out newsletters, having polished email templates will enhance your customer interactions and reinforce your brand consistency. First, let's talk about the types of email templates available in Shopify. Essentially, there are two main categories. The first category is notification or transactional emails. These are automated messages that your customers will receive for actions like order confirmations, shipping updates, or password resets. In Shopify, these are referred to as notifications. On the other hand, we have marketing or campaign emails, which include newsletters, promotions, and even abandoned cart emails. These are handled through Shopify email or other email marketing applications. Now, let's start with creating and editing notification email templates. These are the emails crucial for transactional messages that are automatically sent to your customers. To get started, access your Shopify admin and navigate to Settings, then hit Notifications. Here, you'll see various types of notifications, such as orders, shipping updates, accounts, and more. Choose the type you want to customize and click on it. You'll then see an option to Edit Code or Edit Template. This is where you can tweak the subject line and the body of the email, which is written in HTML and liquid language. Additionally, within the Customize Email Template settings, you have the opportunity to incorporate your brand logo and choose an accent color that aligns with your brand identity, which will apply to all your notifications. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to preview your work or send a test email to ensure everything looks perfect. If everything meets your expectations, go ahead and click Save. And if you ever decide you want to go back to the original design, there's a handy Revert to Default button available for you. Next, let's explore how you can create and manage marketing email templates using Shopify email. These are particularly useful for promotional and campaign emails. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and select Email, or simply open your Shopify email app. Once you're there, head to Templates. Shopify offers a selection of pre-built templates that you can choose from, or you can opt to create a brand new custom template. Start by naming your template. Then, use the intuitive editor to add elements like your logo, header, footer, images, text sections, and buttons. You'll find that many sections are drag and drop, making customization a breeze. Moreover, you can tweak colors, fonts, padding, and if you're looking for more sophisticated designs, you can even insert custom liquid or HTML code. Once you're satisfied with your template, click Save. This saved template will be ready for you to select whenever you're setting up a new campaign, allowing you to maintain a consistent look without having to start from scratch each time. By following these steps, you're well on your way to crafting effective and personalized email experiences for your Shopify store.